Hey guys, so let's start making the white sauce pasta as promised. So here are our main ingredients. We need 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of maida. If you don't have a tablespoon, you can take a big spoon like this, a regular big spoon. 1 cup of milk, we're not going to use all of it. And the water in which you boil the pasta water, pepper and salt. This is your boiled pasta. Now these are the ingredients that are required. We also need some olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any other oil. So these are the ingredients that are required. And these are the optional ingredients. This is 1 cube of grated cheese. Any cheese is fine. Some chili flakes. And any herb of your choice. You can use rosemary, you can use thyme, you can use oregano, any herb, basil, any herb that you like. These ingredients are optional. So let's start cooking. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm eyeballing it. This is enough. If you don't have olive oil, you can use any other oil. And we'll add our butter also in it. Let the oil and the butter melt. So in here I have 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of oil, very little oil. Once it's hot, we'll add our 1 spoon and a little bit more of maida. I will cook the maida. So as you can see, our maida is nicely getting cooked in the butter. Make sure there are no lumps. And you can see the mixture is frothing a little bit. Keep cooking it for around 30 seconds till you can get smell of that maida being cooked in the butter and oil mixture. Smells nice. Now this is cooked enough. Little by little. The flame of the gas is medium. You can see the mixture being thick. Add some more milk. Then can you help me hold this? Add some more milk. Now I have 2 hands and it's comparatively easy. As you can see, the sauce is thickening very beautifully. At this point you can add more milk or we can start adding the pasta water now. When you add the water, you might feel that your sauce is breaking, but it won't. Keep adding. If you don't have pasta water enough, then you can add the normal water, or you can also add some milk. Some more pasta water. Around 1 teaspoon of pepper. And keep whisking. Make the flame again medium from slow and keep cooking and keep whisking. The golden rule of making this white sauce is never stop whisking or else you will have lumps. So at this stage, our beautiful white sauce with simple ingredients is ready. If you want it thicker, keep cooking it. If you want it this texture, which I think is perfect for pasta, stop cooking it and you're done. But I'm going to go a step ahead and I'm going to add some seasoning of my choice, which is I'm going to add some cheese. This is just 1 cube of cheese, which is grated, sorry, and keep mixing it. Never stop mixing. As you can see, the cheese is nicely melted and it's already incorporated in it. I'm going to go ahead and add some herbs. I'm going to add thyme because that's all I have at the moment. Chili flakes. Mix it again. And your white sauce is ready. Beautiful. Easy. This is white sauce which you can make with any ingredients that you have at your home. I'm going to switch this off now. And as you can see, it is nice and thick and viscous. Add your pasta in it. You can add any pasta. I'm using my leftover fettuccine which I made by myself. And give it a nice mix. If you like it saucy, don't add more pasta. If you like less saucy, dunk in all your pasta. And it's done. Very, very creamy, luscious pasta with white sauce, which took not longer than 10 minutes. It's time to plate the pasta. Take a beautiful plate. Beautiful pasta is being plated in a pretty plate and garnish it with some garden fresh basil. You can use coriander as well, and it's ready to be eaten. Doesn't it look like super delish? Enjoy.